Today, federal investigators shared a significant development as they continue searching for the mother of Today Show host Savannah Guthrie.
The FBI released new images and video from Nancy Guthrie's doorbell camera the morning she disappeared from her home in Arizona. Take a look at your screen here. The video shows a person wearing a mask at the 84-year-old's front door. The person is armed, carrying a backpack, and appears to tamper with the camera. FBI Director Kash Patel says the Bureau recovered the pictures and video from residual data in the back-end systems. Investigators hope the public can use these images to help identify who might be behind Nancy's kidnapping. Now, after the release, Savannah wrote on social media that the family believes their mother is still alive. They're urging anyone with information to come forward.